There is a moment when you realize something subtle but powerful. The more you explain yourself, the more power you give away. You justify your choices, you clarify your intentions, you defend your silence, and without noticing it, you place your inner stability in someone else's hands. The Stoics understood this deeply. They knew that constant explanation is not strength, it is a form of dependence. And the moment you stop explaining yourself, everything begins to shift. Most people explain because they want to be understood, they want fairness, they want resolution, they want to control how they are perceived. But Stoicism teaches that perception is not yours to manage. The need to explain often comes from discomfort with being misunderstood, not from truth itself. And when you act from that discomfort, you teach others that your peace is negotiable. When you stop explaining yourself, the dynamic changes immediately. Conversations feel different, silence feels heavier, your presence becomes steadier. You are no longer reacting to confusion or defending your position, you are simply standing in it. And that quiet confidence unsettles expectations because people are used to access, used to reasons, stories, and emotional transparency on demand. This video is about why that shift happens, why clarity replaces chaos the moment you stop over-explaining, why restraint creates authority, and why Stoicism teaches that the strongest position is not being understood by everyone, but being aligned with yourself. If this resonates, take a moment to like the video, leave a comment sharing when you stopped explaining yourself, subscribe to Stoic Blessing, and turn on notifications to become a Stoic soldier. Because when you no longer need to justify your inner world, you begin to move through life with a level of calm most people never reach. Most people explain themselves because they believe explanation creates safety. If others understand their intentions, their choices will be accepted. If their reasoning is clear enough, conflict will dissolve. Stoicism challenges this assumption. The Stoics taught that explanation often does the opposite. It invites negotiation, debate, and judgment. The more you explain, the more you open the door for others to approve, reject, or reinterpret your reasons. When you explain yourself, you are subtly asking for permission. Permission to act as you did. Permission to feel as you feel. Permission to stand where you stand. That permission-seeking may be unconscious, but its effect is real. It places your inner authority outside of you. And once that happens, your peace becomes dependent on someone else's agreement. Stopping explanation interrupts this pattern. When you no longer rush to clarify yourself, you signal that your decisions are settled internally. You are not waiting to be validated. You are not trying to convince. You are simply acting from alignment. That shift changes how others engage with you because the dynamic is no longer open-ended. Stoic mindset teaches that clarity does not require consensus. You can be clear and still be misunderstood. You can be calm and still be questioned. The difference is that you no longer feel obligated to respond to every misunderstanding. You recognize that not every question deserves an answer, and not every assumption requires correction. When you stop explaining yourself, you stop leaking energy into endless justification. Conversations shorten, tension fades, and what remains is something rare: quiet self-trust. That self-trust is what begins to shift everything around you, even when nothing outwardly dramatic happens. Over-explaining often comes from fear, not clarity. Fear of being seen as wrong, fear of being misunderstood, fear of losing connection. Stoicism teaches that these fears are natural, but obedience to them is optional. When you explain yourself repeatedly, you are trying to manage outcomes that are not fully within your control. The Stoics understood that the desire to be understood can quietly turn into dependence on approval. The more you justify your choices, the more you invite others to sit in judgment of them. Even well-intended explanations can slowly erode self-command if they are driven by anxiety rather than necessity. When you stop explaining yourself, you accept a difficult truth. Not everyone will understand you, and some never will. Stoicism teaches that this is not a failure, it is reality. And peace begins when you stop fighting reality and start standing in it. This acceptance creates internal freedom. You no longer feel compelled to correct every misinterpretation. You no longer feel pulled into defending yourself against assumptions. Your silence becomes intentional rather than reactive. The moment you realize you don't need to be understood to be steady, something inside you settles. The noise quiets. The urge to justify fades. And in that space, your presence becomes grounded, deliberate, and difficult to unsettle. When you stop explaining yourself, something subtle happens in the people around you. They begin to feel the absence of access, not in a hostile way, but in a psychological one. They are used to being given reasons, context, and emotional transparency. Stoicism teaches that constant access creates familiarity, and familiarity often erodes respect. When access is reduced, attention sharpens. Without explanations, others can no longer easily categorize you. They can't quickly decide whether you're right or wrong, justified or unjustified. The narrative they relied on disappears, and when a narrative disappears, the mind has to sit with uncertainty. That uncertainty is uncomfortable, but it's also clarifying. The Stoics understood that authority grows when you no longer argue for it. Silence backed by consistency carries more weight than words backed by anxiety. When you don't rush to explain, your actions begin to speak louder. Patterns replace promises. Behavior replaces justification. This is why things begin to shift without confrontation. You're not demanding respect. You're embodying self-command. You're no longer asking to be understood. You're allowing yourself to be observed. And observation over time creates a deeper form of understanding than explanation ever could. By removing excess words, you remove friction. What remains is a calm presence that doesn't need defense. And that presence changes how people relate to you, even if they can't explain why. Stopping explanation also changes your relationship with conflict. When you explain yourself, you stay inside the argument. You keep it alive by feeding it logic, emotion, and justification. Stoicism teaches that many conflicts persist, not because they are complex, but because they are continually nourished. Words extend them. Silence often ends them. When you stop explaining, you don't escalate tension, you remove fuel. There is nothing to counter, nothing to debate, nothing to twist. This doesn't mean you agree, it means you no longer feel the need to prove disagreement. And that distinction is powerful. The Stoics believed that dignity is preserved not by winning every exchange, but by choosing which exchanges deserve your energy. Not every misunderstanding is a threat. Not every challenge is a call to defend yourself. When you recognize this, you stop reacting to noise and start responding only to what matters. This shift creates emotional economy. You conserve energy. You stop spending yourself on conversations that go nowhere. And the more selective you become, the clearer your boundaries feel, both to you and to others. When explanation ends, peace has room to enter. You realize that calm does not come from resolution with others, but from alignment within yourself. And once you experience that, you no longer feel compelled to explain your way into acceptance. When you stop explaining yourself, you also stop managing how you are perceived. This is one of the most difficult shifts to make, because the desire to control perception is deeply rooted. Stoicism teaches that the need to be seen a certain way is a subtle form of attachment. As long as you are attached to how others interpret you, part of your freedom remains outside your control. Explaining is often an attempt to steer judgment. You want others to see your intentions clearly, to judge you fairly, to land on the right conclusion. But the Stoics were clear. Judgment belongs to others, not to you. The moment you accept that, the urge to explain begins to lose its grip. When you no longer try to correct every assumption, you feel lighter. You are not bracing for misunderstanding. You are not rehearsing responses. You allow people to think what they will, and you remain steady regardless. That steadiness is not indifference, it is maturity. This is where inner authority forms. You stop outsourcing your sense of self to external interpretation. You know why you did what you did. You know where you stand. and that knowledge no longer requires witnesses. As a result, your presence changes. You become calmer, slower to speak, harder to provoke. Not because you are guarded, but because you are settled. And when someone is settled within themselves, explanations become optional rather than necessary. Another shift happens quietly when you stop explaining yourself. You begin to listen differently. Instead of preparing responses, you observe. Instead of defending, you notice patterns. Stoicism teaches that clarity comes from attention, not argument. When you're no longer busy justifying yourself, you finally have space to see what's actually happening. You start to notice who respects your boundaries without explanation and who only accepts them when persuaded. You see who is genuinely curious and who is simply seeking leverage. This awareness is not cynical, it's precise, and precision is something the Stoics valued deeply. By not explaining, you let others reveal themselves. Their reactions become information, their persistence becomes clarity. You're no longer shaping the interaction, you're allowing it to show its true form. And that truth is far more useful than any temporary agreement you could talk yourself into. This doesn't make you closed off, it makes you discerning. You choose when to speak and when silence is more honest. You understand that some conversations aren't meant to be resolved, only recognized. When you stop explaining yourself, you stop performing. You stop negotiating your position. You stand where you stand and let reality respond. And in that exchange, quiet, unforced and clear, everything begins to make more sense. As this shift settles in, you begin to notice how much strength lives in restraint. Not the restraint of fear, but the restraint of confidence. Stoicism teaches that the man who trusts himself does not rush to clarify every misunderstanding. He allows time and consistency to speak on his behalf, and consistency over time is far more convincing than explanation in the moment. When you stop explaining yourself, your actions start carrying more weight. People pay closer attention because there are fewer words to dilute meaning. What you tolerate, what you refuse, where you stay silent, and where you walk away, all become signals. And signals are harder to argue with than statements. This is why the shift feels so noticeable without being dramatic. You're not asserting dominance. You're not demanding respect. You're simply no longer filling space with justification. That absence creates gravity. Others feel it, even if they can't name it. The Stoics believed that power reveals itself through calm consistency, not persuasion. When you live in alignment, you don't need to explain why. Alignment has a way of making itself known. And once you experience that, once you see how little explanation is actually required, you stop feeling the urge to overcorrect, overdefend, or overtalk. You trust that what is real will remain visible without constant narration. There is also a deeper internal shift that happens when you stop explaining yourself. You stop abandoning yourself. Every unnecessary explanation is a small moment where you prioritize being understood over being aligned. Stoicism teaches that alignment must come first. When you explain out of anxiety, you move away from your center to meet someone else's comfort. When you stop doing that, you begin to feel a quiet integrity return. Your words match your actions. Your silence matches your boundaries. You no longer feel split between what you believe and what you say to keep the peace. That internal coherence creates a calm that doesn't depend on agreement. The Stoics believed that inner conflict is far more damaging than outer conflict. Explaining yourself endlessly often keeps inner conflict alive because you are constantly adjusting your stance to fit external pressure. When explanation ends, that pressure loses its grip. This is why stopping explanation feels like relief rather than withdrawal. You're not hiding. You're not avoiding. You're simply no longer negotiating your reality. You allow yourself to exist without footnotes. And in that space, self-respect grows quietly. You begin to feel solid in your choices, even when they are questioned. That solidity changes how you move, how you speak, and how you decide. You are no longer asking permission to be who you are. When you stop explaining yourself, everything shifts because you finally step into authorship of your own life. You no longer live as a supporting character in someone else's understanding of you. Stoicism teaches that the strongest position is not being agreed with, but being grounded. When you are grounded, misunderstanding loses its power to disturb you. You don't become cold, you become clear. You don't become distant, you become deliberate. Your words are fewer, but they matter more. Your silence is no longer awkward, it is intentional. And intention carries weight that explanation never could. This is the quiet, stoic power beneath it all. You are no longer reactive to confusion, judgment, or expectation. You don't rush to correct the record. You let time, consistency, and character do that work for you. And character, unlike explanation, cannot be argued with. The world begins to meet you differently when you stop over-explaining. Some people fall away, others lean in. Both outcomes are useful. Stoicism teaches that clarity simplifies life even when it narrows it. When you stop explaining yourself, you stop asking to be understood and start standing in who you are. And in that stance, everything shifts, not because you forced it to, but because you finally stopped moving out of your own way.